Here we have Lucy Kate. She's a 57-foot 2-inch cruiser stern narrowboat. Her shell was built in 2012 by J D Narrowboats at Shardlow, and then she was launched in 2016, a fit out by Aurora Narrowboats. She's got a canvas folding cratch hood, and she's reverse layout. We'll just take another walk along the side of the boat. Portholes and windows, one side door, and as you can see, she's got a canvas pram hood at the aft. So we'll step on board and have a look. So stepping down the steps from the aft deck into the saloon. In the aft cupboard here we've got the inverter charger. It's a Victron 3 kilowatt. And there's a galvanic isolator. All the internal fit out is in oak tongue and groove or oak ply with solid oak framing. Solid fuel stove, and the central heating is via a Webasto diesel boiler. L-shaped dinette, which does make up into a double bed for overnight guests. And walking forwards into the midships galley. Again, we've got oak block worktops, gas cooking, plenty of cupboards and storage space, ceramic tiles to the floor. There's a full-size washing machine and a fridge with a freezer compartment. Moving forwards, there's a walk-through shower room with a quadrant shower. Wash basin and a compost toilet. Hot water is heated by the engine, boiler and immersion. Nice big quadrant shower here. And a towel rail. And moving forwards is the master bedroom with a full-size double bed. There did used to be a cross bed in here which you could reinstate should you wish. So we'll just take another walk back through the boat so you can see things from this angle. And this is Lucy Kate. She's 57 foot 2 inches, cruiser stern, reverse layout. She's been a proven liveaboard for the last few years, and she's with us here at North Kilworth Marina. For more details and to download one of our brochures, please visit our website www.abnb.co.uk.